Soulful greetings from Shabir Ali, 5 minute की तफरी, episode 151, special Independence Weekend episodes. Thousands of soldiers have laid down their lives to guarantee independence, freedom, and rights to the citizens of the country. Their sacrifices should not go in vain. If we are alive and breathing in free environment in our country, we got to give due respect to those fallen men and women. Kaifi Azmi, the great lyricist for the movie Hakikat, produced by Chetan Anand, wrote a marvelous song to dedicate and express the deep emotions that the soldiers feel. The song was rendered in the most soulful voice of the greatest Indian singer to ever live, Muhammad Rafi Saab. And the music was given by the great Madan Mohan. Let's enjoy this marvelous composition.
कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों.
Having sacrificed our lives and limbs, O friends, now you are the custodian of this free land, O friends.
सांस थमती गई नब्ज जमती गई फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को न रुकने दिया कट गए सर हमारे तो कुछ गम नहीं सर हिमालय का हमने न झुकने दिया मरते मरते रहा बागपन साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों.
Our breath became shorter and the pulse got weaker, but we kept marching ahead. Our heads were felled, yet we did not flinch. Himalaya's head we did not let fall. Even while dying, we remained chivalrous, O friends. Now you are the custodian of this free land, O friends.
जिंदा रहने के मौसम बहुत हैं मगर जान देने की रुत रोज आती नहीं हुस्न और इश्क दोनों को रुसवा करे वो जवानी जो खून में नहाती नहीं आज धरती बनी है दुल्हन साथियों अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों.
There will be seasons aplenty to rejoice life. The season of sacrifice does not arrive every day. Beauty and love both are disgraced when the youth remains unbathed in blood. Today, our land stands adorned as a bride. Now you are custodian of this free land, O friends.
राह कुर्बानियों की न वीरान हो तुम सजाते ही रहना नए काफिले फतेह का जश्न इस जश्न के बाद है जिंदगी मौत से मिल रही है गले बांध लो अपने सर से कफन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों।
Let not the path of sacrifices get desolate. Keep adorning this path with new members. Victory celebration will follow soon after when life embraces death. Wear the shroud over your head, O friends. Now you are custodian of this free land, O friends.
खींच दो अपने मुंह से जमीन पर लगी, इस तरफ आने पाए न रावण कोई। तोड़ दो हाथ अगर हाथ उठने लगे, छूने पाए न सीता का दामन कोई। राम भी तुम ही लक्ष्मण साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों।
Draw a line with your blood on this land, lest a monster dare trespass again. Break his limbs if he raises it to grab. Let them not reach your woman's honor. You are both the guardian and the protector. Now you are custodian of this free land, O friends.
चले हम फिदा जान तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों।